Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to understand about Salesforce. So we will start off this video by discussing what is Salesforce, and after that we'll also learn the history and the founder of Salesforce, and then we will discuss about the features and benefits of the Salesforce. So firstly, we will understand about what is Salesforce. The Salesforce is a leading CRM software that provides a complete solution for marketing, sales and services. It started as a cloud-based solution for CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It involves managing all aspects of relationship between an organization and its customers. For example, the details of the customer, the deals that are in progress or already completed, and the support request from a customer or a new lead from a new customer. CRM is originally software for managing customer interaction such as scheduling tasks, emailing, texting and many more. The Salesforce grew into a cloud software solution and acquired several other companies for as a service and software as a service. Now we will move ahead and learn the history and founder of Salesforce. Salesforce is the world's first and most popular CRM system. The headquarters of Salesforce is situated in San Francisco. More than 82,000 companies and many more customers use this dynamic web-based low-cost CRM platform. Salesforce.com has its services translated into 16 different languages and currently has 82,400 customers and subscribers. The founder of the Salesforce is Mark Benioff, and it was founded in March 1999. Now we will move ahead and discuss the features of the Salesforce. The first feature of Salesforce is contact management. This contact management is used to view customer contact details such as activity history, customer communications, and internal account discussion. In short, it manages all the data pertaining to the contact with the customer. The next feature is opportunity management. The opportunity management provides the detail of the stage as a deal is in, the products involved in the deals, the quotation for the deals. In short, it manages all the data that helps in identifying and closing a deal. The next feature is sales collaboration. The sales collaborations help in quickly finding experts who can help in closing a deal based on customer queries and feedbacks. The next feature is sales performance management. It provides a metric-based goal setting and also continuous feedback and rewards for sales team. This helps in enhancing the performance of sales team. The next feature is partner management. These features help in building a community with partners. It also helps in connecting directly with channel partners to share goals, objectives and activities. The last feature is sales forecasting. This feature helps in getting a real-time view of the forecast of a sales team. It provides currency, support and inline editing mode to manage the sales forecast well. Now move ahead and discuss the benefits of the Salesforce. The first benefit of Salesforce is low cost, low risk, cloud-based solution software service to buy. Next one is it supports on all the browsers. Next is Salesforce requires no software to install and there are no hardware requirements including features for marketing, sales, service service, partners management, and community management. So with this, we have learned about the Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.